Hello, class 10 student. Is the chapter quadratic equation exercise 4.1. Already we know the quadratic polynomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now it is the quadratic equations, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This form is called quadratic equation. Now the first question has given, check whether the following are quadratic equation. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Now solve left hand side and right hand side. Then it is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and it is multiplied by 2, 2x minus 6. Now all will come in the one side only, left hand side. So it is x square minus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 in this form. So it is a quadratic equation. Next is x square minus 2x is equal minus 2 into 3 minus x. Same, left hand side you solve, right hand side you solve, then all the number will come in the same side. It is coming x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, it is also a quadratic equation. Next is, again left hand side you have to multiply it. Already you know a plus x plus a and x plus b. This identity you can write, or directly you can multiply it by x into x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. So this is, and right hand side also in the same type of multiply you have to do. Now you solve it, it is coming minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is not a quadratic equation. Next is same, x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. And right hand side is the same. You have to calculate the left hand side and right hand side, then all at the same side is equal to 0. X square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Next also, left hand side multiply, right hand side also multiply. Then you keep them in the same side all, and by adding, it is x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. So it is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So it is also a quadratic equation. Next, same, it is also, you have to solve left hand side and right hand side, that the equation is coming 7x square will cancel. So 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is not in the form of a quadratic equation. Now it is a plus b whole cube and 2x into x square minus 1. By identity you have to change it. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square, b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and right hand side it is 2x cube minus 2x. Now shift in the same side all these numbers, it is minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So it is cubic polynomial this much. So it is not a quadratic equation. Next, left hand side is a, right hand side you change into identity of a minus b whole cube. Same we have done, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And left hand side as it is we have written. Now I have written that. Now it is 2x square minus 13x plus 9. So it is a form of quadratic equation. Next is represent the, question number 2 it is, represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equations. 1. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. This type of question, in quadratic equation, area means length into breadth. So here you have to got the terms and condition in multiplication form. That is the quadratic equation. And in addition or subtraction form, that is linear equation. You have to give the idea from here. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than the twice its breadth. Already I have told. Last word of the sentence from here there you have to take as a x. So let breadth be x. I have taken breadth x. So length is one more than twice its breadth. So 2x plus 1. It is the length. So area is length into breadth. So length into breadth is equal to area, and area has given it is 500. Area has given the 528 meters square. So length into breadth is equal 528. Now it is multiply it, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So it is the form of an quadratic equation. You have to change them only in the form of the equation. No need to solve it. Next, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product means again the multiplication form. This is quadratic equation. So we need to find the integers. Now let the consecutive integers be two numbers. So one is x, another one is x plus 1. So product is x into x my plus 1 is equal 306. Then you solve it, x square plus x minus 306 is the quadratic equation. Next is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. Let Rohan's present age be x years, and its mother's present age would be x plus 26 years. Has given he is 26 years older than him. So x plus 26 years. 3 years from now, Rohan's age, it should be plus 3. So x plus 3, and it is x plus 26 plus 3. So x plus 29. Then product of their ages. After 3 years, product will be 360. So product x plus 29 or x plus 3 multiply this is equal to 360. So x square, if you multiply it by identity, you will get x square plus 32x plus 29 into 3 means 87 is equal 360. This equation is coming x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. It is the form of quadratic equation. Next, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So let the speed of the train be x km per hour. Given distance 480 km. So time is distance upon speed. So 480 upon x hours. Distance upon speed it is. Now the relation we have got speed into time. Multiply it. Speed into time is equal to distance. So by terms and condition, if speed had been 8 km per hour less, means it was x, now it is x minus 8 km per hour. Then it would have taken 3 hours more. Hours were 480 upon x. It was 480 upon x. Now it is more 3 plus 3. Now put in this relation. This substitute this. So x minus 8 speed and time is 48 upon x plus 3 is equal to distance. Already you know that is 480. Now you calculate this. LCM x. It is 3x plus 480. And this one is x minus 8. Now x will come cross multiply it. So it is this one multiply 3x square plus 480x minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to this. Then cross multiply. These two are the same terms of same sign. Both sides of the equal sign, you can cancel this. Now it is 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. You can take as a common factor 3 and divide it by 3. So it is x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. So it is the form of a quadratic equation. We done this one. So this exercise also finished. Thank you very much.